The plan is simple. Build the exact same React component 2 ways, by hand and with one Claude prompt. The point is not which is faster. The point is which skill still matters on the next framework. Here's the task. A star rating component. 5 stars in a row. Hovering previews a rating. Clicking sets it. 3 requirements, the kind of thing a developer builds 100 times across a career. Start by hand. First, the structure. Map over 5 stars and render a button for each. 5 gray stars on screen, no behavior yet. Already this is the boilerplate. The array, the key prop, the map callback. None of it does anything yet. Now the behavior. 2 pieces of state, one for the set rating, one for the hover preview. A click handler, 2 hover handlers. A conditional class to fill the stars. It works. Hovering fills the 4th star. But look at how much was hand-typed for something this common. 24 lines for a star rating. A developer writes this kind of boilerplate on every project. And when React changes its API, or the project moves to a different framework, all 24 lines get rewritten from memory. This skill does not compound. It resets. Now the other way. 1 prompt, 5 stars, hover preview, click to set, TypeScript. Claude returns the full component. Same logic the developer just hand-typed, generated in seconds. And it went further. It added a max prop, a radio group role, and ARIA checked for accessibility without being asked. The generated component renders the same working stars. 4 filled, 1 empty, hover and click both live. Same result as the hand-built version. The difference is where the developer spent their effort, not on typing the map and the handlers, on describing what good looks like. This is the honest part. The model is not a magic button. The first output missed half-star precision. A developer who does not know what a good rating component needs would not catch that. The skill did not disappear. It moved. It is now the skill of reading the output, spotting the gap, and asking for exactly the right fix. Here is why the prompt skill compounds. Change 1 word, and the same description produces a Vue version, then a Svelte version. The framework syntax is different in each. The prompt is almost identical. The developer who learned only React syntax starts over. The developer who learned to describe the component ships in all 3. So stop memorizing syntax that expires. Start commanding the logic that does not. The framework is a detail the model fills in. Knowing what to ask for is the skill that ships on every one of them.